Sa kanya yan.
Okay. Here, let me just put the sword in. Okay. If it ever wants to. Come on, sword. I know you want to.
That's so funny.
What's so funny?
It's fun.
Okay, you get this, you get this, you get this. Now get the creeper. This is the creeper, vinyl, whatever. It can move its head around in a 360. Legs do move, but only a little bit because, yeah. It's a creeper. What do you expect?
Guys, we can't put this inside.
Let me clean this up. Clean this up. I'm a Steve. Steve. This is the diamond which he can sit on.
I just like that.
Oh. Look, he can sit on it.
Yeah!
Put his helmet on. Here, you want to play with the creeper?
Oh,
You be the evil creeper.
okay.
Sir Creeper. Here, you play with the creeper.
Okay.
Look!
I got a bug.
We are having so much fun with these toys.
Yeah. They're like amazing.
Huh. Wonder if the legs move.
Hey.
Oh, no they don't, but they do shuffle though. And the orange do move.
What are you doing? Almost on it.
This sword is the hardest part to put in. It's a pain in the butt. Let's see what happens in the right hand.
I guess it can fit.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Can I fit now?
Oh, yeah, there. Now he's completely done. Yellow, shuffle, shuffle.
You shuffle to the left. You shuffle to the right.
Crouching.
You shuffle to the left. You shuffle to the right. You feel.
That's the unboxing for the creeper and Steve, Diamond Steve. Thank you for watching.
Yeah. Oh.
Dad.
No,
It's done now, Dad.
It's not done yet. It's not done yet.
Give me that, Tres.
It's not done
Tres, this
yet.
is mine.
No.
I remember we made a deal of this is mine, and you get the exploding creeper. Yay! I got the creeper! Give me the sword, though.
You little poop.
Okay, say bye now.